G'day, Steve here, Woodworking Masterclass. I know it's been a long time. Actually, when I checked, it's actually 10 months since I posted a video. But I have been coerced, kicking and screaming out of retirement. I've just been approached to do some more woodworking master. Check it out, what a filthy t-shirt. I didn't know I was going public today, but anyway. Yeah, I've been approached by a TV company to do some more seasons of Woodworking Masterclass. For me, what a huge comeback. The last TV show that I did was about, I don't know, 14 years ago, or 12 years ago. And then I had YouTube, but now it's official. I'm coming back. And we're going to be on local TV and also Apple TV and Samsung TV, which is pretty exciting. And I'll start posting back onto YouTube. So what I want to do, we're actually starting filming the new series, I think, in about 2 weeks. So what I'll do, they won't be ready until June, but what I want to do is start feeding back, say, some bloopers or behind the scenes show of making a TV, just to see what I go through and share some of the highs and lows, and I'm sure there are going to be plenty of them. So the first season, what I'll be doing is making a harp. I'm making 2 harps. One is out of big flitch of Norfolk Island pine, and the other one's out of a beautiful plank of beeswing New Guinea rosewood, which is absolutely sublime. It is gorgeous. So that's it. I just thought I might, I'm fletching arrows at the moment, as you can tell. Bring that to your attention for no other reason that it makes me feel good. That someone still wants this old codger to do some things. It's in the last 10 months I've been doing a lot of different things, including metal sculpture, which I've thoroughly enjoyed, and that's using MIG welder, arc welder, oxy welder, plasma cutter, and all sorts of things. Plus a fair bit of blacksmithing and other things. So it's not just going to be woodworking as it was previously. I'm going to include all the other things that I've been doing. To give you an example, when I build the harp, it's going to entail woodwork, which is obvious, and some brass work, then lathe work, metal milling work. There'll be some foundry work in it where I cast my logo, and there'll be some wood turning, and there'll be some blacksmithing. So I'm really looking forward to starting that project. Then the next one, I think I might even do a season on making wooden arrows. There's a lot of people out there that are interested in archery, and something special about making your own arrows. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos, it really does make me laugh, bless their hearts, of people making wooden arrows. And they'll tell you, I'll show you how to make a wooden arrow from woe to go. The first thing you have to do is buy some shafts. Well, that's not making an arrow. I will be making arrows out of, I think I've got a table out there, an old wooden table, and also just planks of timber. So we'll go down there, I'll show you how to make the jigs so you can make your arrows round from square, how to barrel them, how to taper them, and hopefully how to shoot them, which will be a lot of fun. There you go, all done. As I said, I've been bought kicking and screaming out of retirement, which isn't a bad thing, even though I had a lot of things to do. I really enjoy the challenge of getting back into the creative mode, making videos, sharing them with you good people out there, and I don't know. If you've got nothing better to do, it'll fill your day in, hopefully, better than doomsday scrolling, as my grandkids call it. So that's about it. I spent the last, I don't know how many weeks, trying to get the workshop back into a studio, which I hope I've succeeded with. I don't think I've got any new toys or tools, but the next thing is, you'll notice filthy grubby t-shirt. So the first thing I have to do is make myself a new woodworking masterclass apron, and I'll actually film that, and we'll go up to the sewing room to do that. And if any of you wants to make an apron, who knows, you might pick some ideas up. Nothing flash, nothing fancy, except Susie's fancy embroidering machine, which will put woodworking masterclass on it. Then I'm almost ready to rock and roll, I think. I've got a couple of other things I have to make for the studio lights, and hopefully, fingers crossed, within the next 2 weeks we are starting to make woodworking masterclass. I think as far as TVs go, it's season 5, but as far as I'm concerned, 12 years down the track, it can be a brand new season. We'll call it whatever we like. Still, I'm really looking forward to having new people and old people. I don't mean old people as in ancient people, I mean people that have watched me before. Join me back on the YouTube channel, and now, as I said, on Apple TV and Samsung TV, and we can get cracking. So give us a couple of weeks to get totally organised, and I'll start posting videos of behind the scenes, and we can get this rock show on the road, as they used to say many, many years ago. So until then, remember to keep it sharp, but more important, keep it safe, look after yourself, be kind to each other, and I look forward to having your company back in the workshop and at the workbench very, very soon. This is Steve saying bye for now.